you guys. Hello, welcome to another video. It's currently 6:41 in the morning, which means I'm going to exit my vehicle in approximately 9 minutes and go to work. I'm officially a day shift nurse now, which is so crazy and wild. I really hope I got my video explaining why I'm on day shift up before this one, but if not, I'm a day shift nurse, and yes, an explanation will be coming soon. I got ready this morning at my parents' house, which I usually never do, but it was my mom's birthday last night, and I had a feeling that we were just gonna be up late, like with dinner and presents and everything, so I was like, I'm just gonna bring all my stuff, which was really smart because sure enough, the clock struck 10 and I was like, it is time for bed. Woke up and kind of did like a little mini routine at my parents' house. The only thing is like I had made these delicious egg bites and I simply could not get myself to eat them. It was just way too early. Even thinking about them makes me so nauseous right now, but I did my backup plan, which is to make some oatmeal. It's just like very bland cinnamon apple oatmeal, and I just put it in a to-go container. I'm so nauseous thinking about this. Really hard for me to eat early in the morning. I have to eat because I don't know when I'll get my first break, so I have to force myself to put food in my body, but some days it's like really hard. I had that and then I made some chai tea, and now we just get here early so that we're not stressed. We can find parking, we can set our intentions for today. I just got back from my friend's bachelorette party that I am in her wedding for, which was so crazy. It was such a fun weekend, but it is always hard on a Monday to be tossed back into work. We're rallying, we're gonna make the most of today, and one of the greatest things about day shift is that the day goes by so fast. It's amazing. Now I have to gather all my goods, make sure I have everything. I don't know where my keys are. They're in my car because somehow it started. I'm gonna put my badge on. We're gonna put our water bottle in here. Did not make coffee this morning, so I feel like at some point during the day I'm gonna need to go get coffee. Might be sooner rather than later. Oh, I found him. Success. All right, well, I'm just gonna go on my phone for the next 5 minutes. It's nice just to have like a little mental rest in the morning. I will talk to you guys periodically through the day as I get a chance on my breaks, and let's hope for a good shift. We can do it. I'm officially on break. I'm having some apples right now because I'm hungry. I've been literally running nonstop. I have not really sat much, but I've been being productive because I know one kid's gonna discharge home today, and then I'm gonna take an admit because then I only have one other kid right now. Just been running around like crazy, getting stuff done. It's been good. Now I'm on my 30-minute break. We have this new like break shift nurse thing, and we voted to do a 30-minute break and a 45-minute break, which is honestly nicer than like having to constantly go on 15s and not feel like you get a real break. I'm about to go on a massage chair because if you've been watching me for a long time, I love a good massage. It is officially lunchtime. I just got my admit. It's one of my favorite patients. That's fun. We're gonna have a little salad today for lunch. I love some Gardettos. We're gonna enjoy our lunch, and then we will discharge our other patient and finish admitting the patient that just got here. I knew there was like a little lull midday, but it was gonna pick up really quick when everyone arrived. So sure enough, now we are very busy. Let's see. We did it, you guys. We survived the day shift. It was a good day overall and made better because I got like this amazing patient and family. You know, it's just a total game changer when the vibes are good in the room. So that was fun. We gave some chemo at the end of our shift, got all of our charting done, signed our notes, and we got out of there. And now it's 7:41 and I'm stuck behind a bus. I'm literally so hungry. I have hunger pains right now. I'm so excited to eat my leftovers from last night. I have some shrimp pasta, but I feel like it's not gonna fill me up and I don't have like a ton of it. So I'm gonna take a little pit stop at this tiny little grocery store that's on the way home and just grab like bread because I have some cheese and I just need half and half, and whipping cream in case I wanna do some soup. So that's my game plan because I feel like I'm gonna need other food options. And then we're gonna get home and we're gonna try to get as much stuff as we possibly can get done on our to-do list because I need to unpack for my trip, shower, start my laundry. We got a lot to do. Leftovers time. I'm gonna put this in a different container. This is my favorite type of nurse meal. Nurse dinner, that's what we call it. Post 12.5-hour shifts, I need to eat immediately. I have so much stuff everywhere and so much stuff to do. Slightly overwhelmed. I really do want to get some stuff done, so I'm gonna try to push myself to just get some things done, and it's not gonna be perfect, but I think we're gonna start a laundry, and I definitely will not be folding the laundry by any means, but maybe I'll get it to the dryer, and then tomorrow after work, I can fold it. We're gonna eat first. You guys, this looks incredible. All right, please hold while I eat this. All right, I already started being productive, and I feel better now that I've had food in my body, so I'm gonna make a quick little to-do list. And I'm sitting on the ground to do it because I'm in my work clothes and I can't touch my bed in the work clothes. So we're just gonna make a quick little list so I can feel a little bit accomplished because we're working our way through it. So here we go.
Said you feel alone. Didn't think nothing about it cause I hate to be reminded that you're on your own. You could have called somebody near instead of waiting half a year for me to see your face. You feel a certain way about how you feel too much pain, but if I knew the way that you feel when you're awake, I wouldn't be standing today. But how am I supposed to react when you tell me that you feel like you're at home when you're with me? I can barely care for myself, but I guess that doesn't matter when I know how you're feeling. You text me, I miss you, I hate it, but I can't what to say to your face, cause I don't wanna break your heart again.
Alrighty, everybody, we are doing so well, getting tons of stuff done. I have my official to-do list. I am still hungry. I kind of am thinking about potentially making myself something to snack on, but for now I'm just gonna have a little puppy. We showered, we washed our hair, we switched our laundry, we did the dishes, we packed our lunch, we laid out our clothes, put away another bag. I do need to reply to some texts and check my emails really quick, and then I am gonna do something fun. We did so well getting so much stuff done tonight, so we're gonna end the night with like something fun that's like semi-productive to do because it is one of my best friend Julia's birthday this weekend, and Mother's Day is also coming up, so I'm gonna work on a little sweet gift for them. I'm actually celebrating Julia's birthday this weekend at the beach, so I want to get her present all in order, and then I'm a gift giving person and I like getting ahead and getting my stuff ready for Mother's Day. I have these two really cute frames, and these frames need some real physical pictures. I love taking pictures, and photography is like one of my other side hobbies slash miniature jobs. So today I'm really excited to show you guys the Liane 4x6 photo printer. This is the M100 photo printer. It's so small and I can literally like print my own photos for these frames from home, which is just so nice and so convenient. It's nice just to like print the photos that I love, that I take on my phone, and have them in real form. Thank you to Liane for sponsoring this video and sending me this really cool photo printer. I love cool gadgets like this. We're gonna start out by loading our paper into the tray. This guy comes with 20 sheets. Right here on top is our photo tray. And then we can open this top section, put all of our photo paper, drop it right in there, close the top part of the container, front little door, and then photo cartridge just clicks right into there. I'm gonna open the Liane photo app on my phone and just connect to the printer. So let's turn this guy on. She's live. I can just use the Wi-Fi to connect my phone to print the photos, which is so nice. Printing this adorable picture of Julie and I at the mountain from this year. I'm so excited to watch this. Okay, the first layer is done. It actually prints in 4 different layers. So it shows me on the app what color's printing. So the yellow is printing, and now the magenta is printing. And then it's gonna be the blue. And then the final layer seals it all together. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's so adorable. Amazing quality. It's like a real nice print. The 4th layer seals it all together, so it is dust proof and waterproof and fingerprint proof. And I just am peeling off these little edges on the side so that it is a perfect 4x6 photo. I'm gonna pop this into the frame really quick. You guys, look how cute this is. It turned out so well. I'm obsessed. Okay, we're gonna print a couple more pictures so that I can decide which one of my mom and I wanna pop in this guide. I printed out this picture of my family and I'm gonna use this one for my mom's card. Cut us out and put a cute little thing on like a blank card. I printed this one of my mom and I in New York City. The colors are so vibrant. It turned out so well. And I'm just gonna pop this into my frame. I think I need to trim just a little bit more of the edges. I feel like she's gonna love this so much to like put on her desk at work. It turned out really cute and it was so easy. And the best part is that when I'm done, the storage of it is so easy. I literally just close everything up. It clicks right into the top. This door closes. It's so compact, which is really great for my teeny tiny apartment. If you guys wanna get the Liane photo printer for yourself, that you can print photos whenever you want, you guys should check out the link in my description box as well as the coupon code that I put down there for you guys. Their cartridges come with 20 sheets of photo paper and they're super easy to refill, which is so nice. And I just love being able to print photos whenever I want. I also think it's a really great gift idea for moms. Moms just love pics. I think I'm gonna put this up in my apartment until it's Mother's Day because I just wanna look. I am going to clean up really quick and then we're gonna go to bed because your girl is tired. I need to be in my car in 8 minutes. This is the reality of the second day of the stretch. I just really want to sleep in more. We don't get to do that today. We're gonna get up, we're gonna do this, we're gonna have a good shift. Oh, I'm tired. It's currently 6:22. I need to make my bed because it makes me feel like I have my life together. This is why we pack the lunch the night before and we lay out all the clothes so that we can simply stay in our beds for as long as humanly possible.
Smiling, why do I gotta be so lucky? Why'd you have to be so pure? Question all my good intentions, but with you, oh, I'm so sure. Tasted the fruit and smelled the flowers.
I'm struggling this morning, as you can tell, but making this happen. Got a haircut and now I have to go bobby pin my little bangies back because I don't like them in my face. Coffee. You guys are witnessing uncoordinated me in the morning time. I don't know really why this made like such a itty bitty amount of coffee. Someone please help me with my Nespresso. I don't know how to work it. It's really confusing. Like there's enough water in there. I thought I picked a normal size pod and I have like that much coffee. That much in my container. It's gonna be like 90% milk. Usually I like warm this half and half and froth it and stuff, but we don't have time for that today. So I guess we're just gonna have a shot of coffee. I don't really know how to work that thing. Hair, coffee. I need my water bottle. Oh my God, we have 1 minute. How do we literally have 1 minute? We're running, we're doing this. I obviously always give myself a little bit of buffer time to get there because you never know what can happen. I'm usually not cutting it this close. What you didn't see is I just forgot my phone and had to go back and get it. It's fine, this is just less time of me sitting in my car. We got all of our stuff now. Let's have a good day. We are officially on break after a very busy morning with a miniature unfortunate event because one of my patients' TPN and lipid line that's like in their central line became disconnected and it was just like infusing on their bed, and so now I have to like string up a whole new line, get the new tag thing. Like so unfortunate when that happens. That's working in pediatrics. Kids get unhooked. So I'm gonna eat a little something because I'm starving, and then we're gonna go back and fix everything and clean rooms and make it tidy and just a little bit hectic. Nice to have a break shift nurse to have someone to like do that, but I feel like there's such nurse guilt unloading on a break shift nurse and being like, this is a mess, I'm in the middle of something, but like it's time for me to go on break. So here I am on break, feeling bad that someone else is helping me. You know it's a good day when we're getting Chipotle, so I'm taking 2 bites of this because I'm starving.
And I'm well aware that I can't keep you. So I'll dream about blessing from above, what I do to deserve it. The money, the time.
We did it. We made it home. We survived. It was a very busy day. I feel like I really didn't film much at all because I was running around like crazy. Things just kept getting busier and busier, and it was just a little bit of a busy day. All is well, and now I get to eat food. I got my Chipotle and they messed up my order. It's funny because one of the nurses, like, when we order Chipotle, they always mess up our orders, and every single one of our orders was messed up, which is fine. Like, they both still tasted good, but it didn't make me feel very good. So then half of the shift I was like, I just don't feel well. But now I am ready to eat again. So we're gonna make some tomato basil soup, and we're gonna do like a little grilled cheese tomato soup because it's easy, it's fast, it sounds comforting. Yep, and I just need some heavy whipping cream to add into the soup, which I got last night at the grocery store because I was thinking ahead. I am going to go to the bathroom and change into some comfier clothes so that I can like really relax, and then we're gonna have some dinner.
Sunny June, I heard the birds were singing, but I tossed and turned, a feeling I can't explain.
You guys, I broke my rule. I sat down, I went on TikTok, I got too comfy, and now I can't get up. I am gonna force myself to go do the dishes. And then honestly, I might give myself a night off because I was productive last night. I did a lot, and now my body is done. My back hurts, I'm tired. Nurse Kiara is out. Thank you to Leanne for sponsoring this video. If you guys want a discount code, be sure to check out the description box on this video, and you guys can check out the photo printer for yourself. And today's question of the day is going to be, what's one activity that you always push yourself to do when you're tired? For me, it's make my bed in the morning or doing the dishes, because I just hate waking up to like dirty dishes in the sink. So I always try to push myself to do that. I'm not perfect, but I pretty much always do. I love you guys so much. I have so many pre-filmed videos, so lots of the videos you're requesting, including the car tour, are coming soon. Talk to you soon. Bye.
And I'm well aware that I can't keep you, so I'll dream about blessing from above, what I do to deserve it. The money, the time, and the hurt, and you work. And I'll show you my world if you show me yours too. Nothing lasts forever, that's just an excuse. You'll never